Wow, nice one. Good. Oops, no, you don't want to catch the echidna. Yeah, no.
You can put that in. There we go.
You can see that here's a big, lovely orange.
Oh, maybe.
Can you collect it? Do you want to do the activity, Harvey? What do we
Do you want
do?
to tell me how old you are? 4 You're 3.5. Okay, well if you want to do the activities, you'll be a mini explorer.
She might be your
And so the mini explorers, what they do is you go to the different tents and you're going to learn about 4 different jobs that exist at the zoo. Okay? And it's going to be 4 different activities. At the end of each activity, you're going to get a sticker.
Right, so
if you get at least 2 stickers, you can come back here. You can tell me which job you like the most, and I'll give you a certificate for it.
Oh, wow.
So you could be an official London Zoo zookeeper if you want.
Or your favourite, what's your very favourite?
Yeah, sound fun? And you can write down your name, age, and your favourite animal.
H A Harvey.
What did you keep so?
What's your favourite animal?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Listen,
You can choose another. You can choose an animal.
I don't know.
What animals do you know?
I know tiger.
Okay, let's put tiger.
How do I do a tiger?
It's dinner time.
So, would you like to help me be a nutritionist? Yeah? Yeah, Sartre, would you like an apron?
Yeah.
Here you go. See? Perfect. Oh, don't you let them pass. Oh, the sloth. It's called Jimmy the Sloth. So on the back here, it says all the ingredients you need to make the lunch for the gibbon.
Yep, that's fine too. 1 lettuce. We need 1 sweet potato. Let's go find the sweet potato. Where's the sweet potato?
Here, look. Can you reach up here?
Where's the sweet potato?
Sweet potato. Here. Half a
This one's sweet potato.
There's a wheel or not?
No, pretend. We need tin of legumes. Tin of legumes. Oh yeah, we need that one. We need that one. Yes.
Inside.
Pellets. I think it's pellets inside. And that one, the tin of legumes. It's the silver tin. Yeah, no, the next. Yes, that one. Good. Okay, we got everything now.
Would you like your sticker? Yeah?
Collecting sticker.
Here you go. If I give you the sticker, do you want to put it on your booklet? Ready? Can you see where it goes? Yeah, perfect. Oh, amazing job. Oh, good.
Wow, that's really good alignment,
Yeah.
Harvey. Thank you. Let's go, Harvey. Let's sit down and we'll put this on. You ready? Oh, she's giving you a net.
Here we go. Do you think you could help clear out as much plastic as you can from the River Thames for us? Pop it in our recycling
fish need to live in the water, but we need to collect the water bottles to clean the water bottles. They go in the recycling bin. You can. Do you need a hand? Ah, nice one. Good. Do you see the recycling bin? That yellow bin is the recycling. Yeah, good. Oops, no, you don't want to catch the fish.
Oh, should I put the fishy back in? Should I let it go? There we go. Alright, let's go.
Yeah. Put it on the echidna. Yeah. Rub it on there. Yeah. Yeah. And then rub it on this one. And then rub it on the circle. That circle, the yellow circle. Oh look, listen, there's instruction. Turn up. Yeah.
Want to see the correct room in the correct bucket? Are we ready? So you've got zebra, ostrich, and giraffe. Remember, the smallest one is the giraffe poo. The biggest one is the zebra poo.
In the red one, I think. I'm not sure.
They come around. Oh my goodness, you've got a space that you can put that in. There we go.
Oh, you got beautiful handwriting.
There you go, Harvey. Honorary conservationist.
Yay! Thank you.
In the undergrowth stalking their prey, it's going to blend in spectacularly well. Now, as humans, we are trichomats. We have 3 colour receptors in our eyes, okay? You don't know where they are. If they are lying in any long grass, any light shining through the trees, it really breaks up the outline of that tiger. Now, I'm going to be very honest, folks. This one works on humans. This one definitely works on me. The amount of I'm going to tell you a little bit about our family in particular. Now, we are absolutely blessed to have 3 awesome American tigers living here at London Zoo. So if you are in the area where I am, which is kind of the long paddock, I believe Asim is having his food a little bit separately on the inside, because if there's one thing we know about tigers, it is that they do not share. So we will separate them for their food, so watch this space.
Does your head fit inside? Whoa, maybe. Is it bigger than your dog? Yeah, look, it fits your whole head inside it.